Hello, my good people. Welcome to EI Wealth and Health. Today we're gonna be talking a little bit about how to lose body fat. A new exercise that will enable you lose body fat. If it's six pack you're looking for, or you just wanna lose your bare stomach, this is an exercise basically designed for losing stomach fats or losing weight, but predominantly losing the fat in the stomach. So this is how it goes. So it's like boxing. I've done it before, but this time around I'm gonna concentrate more on the stomach fat. So it's boxing, and concentrating your punches based on the stomach area. And when you're doing it, it's going to be stretching the stomach muscle. You're going to be feeling pain in the stomach. And that's where all the action will be concentrating, and that will eventually let the fat disappear if you keep doing it consistently. So this is how it goes. I punch like 100 uppercuts, then go below or go near the stomach, to be punching sideways, horizontally and sideways. So when I'm doing it, I'm going to be feeling pain in my stomach. If you do it for consecutively for 2 to 3 weeks, you're going to see all your stomach fat disappear. So this is how we go. First of all, I punch 100 punches of boxing. So this is how it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 12, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 25, altogether is 50 punches. Then I'm gonna punch catch your breath for like 1 to 2 minutes, depending on how fast you can recover. Then you punch sideways, concentrating on the stomach area. With the combination of the ones you did previously, over time, over 3 weeks for 1 month period, it's gonna decongest all the fat here. It's gonna vaporize, and you can see your stomach getting, as you do it, you see your stomach getting shrinking every time you do it. Every day you see your stomach improving by way of reduction. So over time, your stomach fat is gonna disappear. So like I've caught my breath now, so I'm going to sideways punch like 20 or 10, depending on how strong you still feel after the first 100 punches. So this is it. 1, 2. So once you're punching it, you're putting your hand across this way. So you're stretching all this area is stretching, because most of the fat lies here. You see, lies here. That's where you start putting weight on your stomach. You notice that here will be folding. You're folding like this. So that's why you have to stretch it this way. So all this area you'll be feeling pain there. So when you point this way, you are stretching all the muscle here. As you stretch, the fat is here, is gonna be melting. So that's how I punch it this way. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 29, 30, and then a quick one. So that's it for the horizontal punches. And then if you like, if you still have energy, you can add up boxing, kicking, using your knees to hit as if you're trying to hit somebody with your leg. Do like 10 here. You alternate after like 10 or 20 on each leg. You alternate to the other leg. If you get tired, blow out air from your mouth. Then you twist you try to touch your knee sideways so that it will here. This love handle, because it's called love handle in the exercise world. So this love handle will be shrinking as you do this. As you try to touch your knees, do it slowly. Don't bend your hair. It's hard not to bend your hair, but try and keep it straight as much as you can, and try and touch your knee. Slow one. See? Try and touch your knee. It's hard to touch your knee without bending, but try as much as possible to hold your head straight like this. If you do it correctly, you're going to feel your pain. You're going to feel pain here and your waist. If you're not feeling pain, you know your form is not good. So this is how it goes. Then if you're feeling sweaty, you drink some water to dehydrate, to regain more energy, regain your energy. As you do this like 30 minutes to 45 minutes, you'll be done for the day. And tomorrow morning, you're going to see your stomach shrink by size. As you keep doing it, eventually, all the stomach fat will disappear, all the belly, the beer stomach will disappear. So this is how it's done. So that's enough for the stomach exercise to lose fat on your stomach. As you can see, I'm already sweating, even though it's a little bit, weather is a little bit moody in London, like you normally know. London is a very moody, has a moody weather. So subscribe to EI Wealth and Health. And always remember to turn on the notification bell so that each time I upload a video, be it exercise or be it stock market or investment lessons, you will be able to know what I'm doing. I'll see you on the next one. And remember, please remember to go to my my Instagram page, which is eiolifecoach.com. DM me there if you want me to come and teach you indoor exercise in your house, or do indoor investment lessons with you, or stock lessons with you. I can come over then, or you can come over then. We arrange on how to do it. So stay blessed, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Bye.